ดีทุกคน welcome to my channel ตอนนี้เราก็อยู่ Myrtle Beach เล็กๆทะเลนะพี่ดอกทะเลน้ำกำลังไหลเข้ามางามบ่มาน้ำกำลังไหลเข้ามาโอ้บ่หอดสัตว์ตานี่เป็นยังผลิตน้ำเก็บขึ้นเก็บหวยเนาะไปดูแล้วทุกคนมาสู่ all you can eat seafood again
Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth?
Yes.
Why is it so hard
Yes.
to just be honest when I want this? Maybe you want it too. So I just need to tell you. I just need to tell you.
Beautiful.
See the sun, shadow on my life. Finally see the light. Give myself to you.
Yeah. งามบ่
I want to get this right. Haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you.
So to catch the fish
Me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth? Why
fish oh my goodness starfish that's beautiful oh my god
Keep moving, you see?
yeah I see that เห็นบ่นี่นะพี่น้อง oh starfish beautiful wow look at that คือปิ่ง look like a water stick อ้าวgo somewhere ละ
Oh, what do with that?
no I just put a jaw oh my god it's beautiful oh my god oh my god wow ไปแล้ว gone already
Look at this one.
oh that's so cute this one wow what kind is it they have look like they stay inside and come out
Man, look at it. I thought that was like broken
Yeah.
pieces, but they're
yeah
like different.
the different one your shoes behind you right oh my god look at that so beautiful oh my god look at that กัดละลายละเล็ก oh
Yeah.
they want to walk
Gotta throw that one back to you yesterday. Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense.
Ooh.
This one's broke. I'm
Look,
trying to find one.
Look, I saw one. Can you pick up for me right here?
Yeah.
Right there. That one.
You have to wash it off when
Yep,
the tide
I will.
come in.
say the shark teeth.
Yeah, that's nice shark too.
Make mimosa with orange juice, cranberry. Okay, go start.
Yeah.
Got it.
Got the Chandon champagne.
Sean champagne, that's a good top one. First of all, cup it up.
Ooh. Oh, there it goes.
Ooh. A little bit more.
Okay. Cranberry.
Cranberry, same amount. All right, after that, champagne going down. Cook all the way, 3/4. Oh yes, that's good. Yes, that's good. That's good. Wow.
Looking good already.
Oh yes. Champagne.
Cheers.
Give me your taste. Oh yes. Okay. Okay. See you. Be careful. How was that?
Awesome.
This is a good mix.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's the best.
Champagne, guys. Okay.
With the cranberry.
Happy vacation. Just get up from the beach and take a shower and get ready to do something else. Maybe jump on the pool later, or maybe going to the mall. We'll see what happens, right? All right, guys. This is how we make mimosa drink for your happiness.
Orange juice and the cranberry. That's the key.
Yeah, that's the key right there. Right, it's good. Ooh, man. How good is that? Very good drink. All right. See you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and have a good time and drink this up and get tipsy and lay back, relax on the pool. And I see you later. Bye bye.